Is frequent equipment replacement draining your budget? Chaode's platforms are engineered for longevity, reducing the total cost of ownership over time. Our patented surface treatments enhance durability, while premium materials like HT300 cast iron and 42 CRMO alloy steel ensure resistance to wear and corrosion. Modular designs allow for easy component replacement and upgrades, minimizing downtime. By investing in Chaode platforms, industries save on maintenance and replacement costs, ensuring sustainable, cost-effective operations in the long run. Applications in sectors such as heavy machinery and automation have demonstrated significant financial benefits. Choose Chaode for platforms built to last and save.